Yo, Sakafe, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna cover everything you need to know about creating good Amapiano drums. We're gonna see how to select the one-shot sample, how to use drum load that already exists into floaty slices, and try to bring more dimension to our drum pattern. So let's get some fun. Let's set our tempo. I think I'm gonna go with 114. Sorry, okay, 114. And then let's go to the Afrobeats volume 2, go to Suka, and let's see if we can find some. First thing is gonna be a kick. We'll go with fill each 4 steps. And then I'm gonna go to the April update. We'll use this one right there. And there are some Amapiano stuff that you can find and update or goes from the Afrobeat mini stash. I will drop this one soon. Grab this and we can start. We do the same thing. It's like you try to start. It's like you start creating a rhythm. Now I'm gonna go into drum loop with Suka, and then we open the Peru too, because I love using this one with into my slice X. Using Amapiano drum loop that already exists in slice X is a way to complete or to fill up empty space. And we go with this one instead. And we do this like 2 times, and then we have it like that now. Okay, now we can complement this. Let's try to find some more percussion. We can go with, we'll go with activate, and also we can add ABA. So we have those two. Nice. You see, we start having a little vibe. Okay, now I think I wanna add some shaker, and we have it like that now. Nice. And I think I wanna add more percussion, maybe 1 conga, just to. Okay, this one I think we can make it sound much more interesting. Let's add this vintage chorus. Okay, that's better now. And we go to conga. I love using this conga. Sound nice. We already have a vibe. That's how you create crazy fire Amapiano drums. You can definitely hear David on this one, Young Jung, and the list goes on. And let's go to Crash. We use this. Okay, now I just wanna add 1 or 2 things. Okay, let's take that. We go to hi-hat. For my hi-hat. Okay, and then we go to the update, the upgrade, and this one, go to the mash one, and then we have it. Okay. Okay, now we are going to try to listen in context. When I say listen in context, it's just try to create the chord progression and maybe some bass, just to show you how this is going to sound in on a beat. So we use the Juno 6V, and let's go with key. Let's use the first one. Okay, I know I'm gonna use this one, but let's use labs to find our chord progression. And okay, we're good. Let's go. Okay, this one has to be longer because I want to create a chord progression that is longer. And like we have, I'm trying to find the roots note, and then after I can complete it, and then we go back. Let's create the chord now. Okay, another one we can do, we can just transpose those just there, and then let's copy this and pass it to the Juno. Maybe we get back to E on this one. We can use maybe the same E. Let's see if we transpose this and then we get E. Okay, I want to combine this one with maybe an organ. Let's try this one. Command C, Command V, let's see. Let's see if we can find another one. Again. Okay, I love this one. Let me add it as my favorite. And then when you combine them, ooh, it's a vibe already. Okay, you know what we can add? We can add a violin, but let's go with expand to. We go to violin. We can use one of the pizzicato. Let's go to violin. Well, my violin string, and then we go to pizzicato. just you do like. Guys, this is how you create Amapiano drum. Don't overthink it. And I think the last thing I'm gonna add to those drum is a maybe a snare. You know, when it's come to the chorus, you will need to add more to the drum to change the dynamics of the drum pattern. So pattern right there, I can just use this as a simple drums, and then on the chorus you can have a long snare pattern. And now you can go to preset. We load the pure bass or the yeah, let's go with the pure. Okay, we'll go with this one. Okay, let's create the bass pattern. Coming L. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comment section if you love the vibe we create, and also if you want me to complete the instrumental we start today. Yeah, see you in the next one.